这吗？
Hello everyone, so glad to have you here in our live stream, and it's so great to see you again in Gree's live stream. And my name is Lance, and today with me here is Lisa. Welcome.
Hello everyone, welcome to Gree.
Yes, and today is the third day of Canton Fair, and I believe you guys must have been impressed by Gree's products presented in the States, like Versace, Airy photovoltaic air conditioner, as well as the heat pump water heater, right?
Yes, sure, we Gree are the professional and reliable electric appliance supplier in the world. Also, we are committed to refresh our products to ensure the high quality and reliability standards. So Lance, the winter is coming. Have you prepared something for that?
Actually, not yet, because you know, the winter in Guangdong comes very late, and it's the middle of October now, but the weather still stay warm and even hot, as you can feel that, right?
Yeah. It's hot today, yeah.
Yes, when you step out of this exhibition room, you will feel that, wow, it's so hot. The temperature is almost 30 degrees Celsius. That is the middle of the October, yes.
But it's so different from the northwest cities like Xi'an, where I have lived for 4 years. The cold winter with heavy wind and snow now.
Yes, and I can not imagine that because I have lived in Guangdong for almost 9 years until
that's
now.
A long
yes,
time.
And as I know, the only place can see the snow in Zhuhai in Guangdong is the climate laboratory in Gree, and where the temperature can be minus 30 degrees Celsius. And I heard that you will have the heating supplied by government in north. Is that works well?
Yeah, sometimes it depends because maybe in my dormitory the heating device is worn out, so maybe it's not stable and uncomfortable, and the temperature can be adjusted. That's not very complex.
Yes. And that may not comfortable, so we'll use other backup heaters like gas furnace to provide to stay warm.
Actually, we use a Gree air conditioner to be a supplement, and it can give you a very stable and comfortable temperature lastingly.
Yes, that is our products are really good at. Our products are very good at to stay warm for your home, and that is with our core technologies like 10 hours continuous heating and smart hot gas defrosting, and you can enjoy harmonious warmness in your winter and any harsh weather. And today we are going to introduce you our heat pump products with our stable and efficient performance.
Yes, so I heard that these products are all focused on three personalities, advantages. The first one is eco-friendly technology, will bring us a high energy efficiency.
Yes, high energy efficiency first.
And the second one, the intelligent functions will make you feel more comfortable.
Yes.
And the last one, the good quality, because of our Gree's good quality, it will protect our health well.
And there are three key words today. They are efficiency, comfortable, and healthy. And let's dive in and discover more about technology, which can define the future of heating and cooling. So we all know now that we are in a world that global energy consumption demand is on the rise, and the need for sustainable solution has never been more critical. But traditional energy sources like gas and propane are becoming increasingly expensive. And while pollution they made still do harm to our environment. And the complexity of installing and maintaining old heating and refrigeration system only adds to the challenge we face.
Yes. But fear not, because our Gree are the excellent solution for your home. The Versace multifunctional air-to-water heat pump. This cutting-edge system combines the functionalities of the conditioning, floor heating, the water heating, and the air conditioning.
Yes.
So you can give a very comfortable experience just with one single eco-friendly package.
Yes. First, let me give you a brief introduction of our Versace Fifths. With Versatility, you can say goodbye to the hassle of purchasing and installing multiple units for different functions because our Versatility system can provide space heating, space cooling, and domestic hot water all in one. And as an air source heat pump, the Versatility can draw electricity from air, and that draws part of energy from the air into the refrigerant, which will flow into your home. Home's water loop, like as you can see here, it can be flows into the indoor water loops like radiators, floor heating coils, as well as in water tank to heat the entire room. Yes.
Yeah. So in short, there are 5 basic modes to choose to meet our diversified demands like the space heating, space cooling, and domestic hot water, and the space heating plus the domestic hot water, space cooling plus domestic hot water.
Yes, there are totally 5 modes to choose. And the capacity of a Versatility mount box ranges from 4 to 22 kilowatts. And the single fan motor I presented before covers the capacity from 4 to 10 kilowatts. We also have 2 fan modules, larger capacity which can up to 22 kilowatts.
Yes.
And the flexibility of Versatility allows for modular combination. That means you can even add 4 Versatility mount boxes together to form an entire system. And what's more, the Versatility multiple system can integrate the external and internal units in one to provide unparalleled efficiency because all of the refrigerant components like plate water heater and the condenser are all integrated at the outdoor unit.
Yes.
So all of the refrigerant components are integrated at the outdoor unit. So there is no intricate indoor loops in your home.
Yeah,
and making the installation just a breeze and can save cost in the labor process. Yes.
Yeah, that may be more convenient and more saving. So the next time we go on to see is high energy efficiency and comfort. So go on, please.
Thanks. And our commitment to energy efficiency is evident in every aspect of our Versatility system. This unit uses R290 as a refrigerant. This refrigerant is very clean because its GWP value is only 3. And the 5th generation Versatility can provide impressive energy efficiency at A5.0 at A7W35. And the SCOP rating can be leveled at A3+. That means that we are at the first class for European market and even everywhere on this world.
That's cool. So I heard that the Versatility is famous for its comfort in the market. So can you tell more about it?
Yes, definitely. And because we truly set Versatility apart, it's not just functionality, but it's comfortable and its safety design, because the comfortable are paramount for our company.
Yeah.
So with features like disinfection systems, multi-target water control systems, and our smart home climate adjustment system, which can adjust not only the temperature, but also the humidity in your home, so which can meet the comfortable zone for your family. And the unit can also be used with backup solar water heater and gas water heater. And the entire unit operates quality adjust 43 decibels and even lower. That is very quiet. Yes.
Yeah, Lance, I noticed the feedback of our users last year. They said the water is not warm enough when they want to take a long bath or shower. So have it upgraded to this kind of aspects now?
Yes, I also heard the feedback from our customer for that, and that is exactly what Gree are thinking. So regarding stability and reliability, our unit has an ultra-wide operation range. That means it can even operate very stably, even ambient temperature, the auto temperature, up to 48 degrees Celsius. And additionally, the maximum the water temperature has upgraded from 65 degrees Celsius for last generation Versatility to 80 degrees Celsius for latest generation Versatility. And our users can enjoy a longer bathing time. Yes.
Yeah, that's much better than the last one. So, Lance, I heard the audience are concerned about the safety of our products. I heard that the newest Versace 5 has equipped with the R290. So, can you tell more about this kind of products?
Yes, safety are always put as the priority place in our company. So the fifth generation Versace use R290 as the reference, so safety must be concerned. This unit can provide very good environment benefits. And to ensure safety, core components are implemented, and all of the core components are approved by UL certification, and including the explosion-proof flat water heater, exchanger relays, and high-pressure switches, which are all dedicated for R290. And we also upgraded its software and electrical control. And you can always trust the reliability of our units. And the separation of water system and the refrigeration system also ensure hygienic and efficient performance.
Wow, that's great. So next, let's go on to our second heat pump product, Free Match. You know that Free Match is in one door units connecting with multiple indoor units. Basically, there are 6 types of the indoor units. They are the wall-mounted, cassette, adaptive floor seating, and the console, and water tank, which is newly launched in our market. Users can choose a unit to according to the diversified demand that gives the system name the Free Match. Sometimes we also call it multi-zone.
Yes, this year our unit added the water tank, so the Free Match can also be connected to water tank. And I know some audience are interested on the smart control of the Free Match. So can you speak more about the smart control?
Yeah, through Gree's smart centralized controller, you can control the switches, modes, temperature, and the timer up to 36 units. Be realized in a centralized way. And for a larger space than the hospital, parking lot, hotel, and so on, it can up to 255 devices. That's amazing, isn't it?
Yes. So totally it can be connected to 255 indoor units. And our last generation Versace is very amazing. So what if I just back from a business trip like today's Canon Fair and I feel so tired? What should I do if I want to enjoy the coolness or warmness immediately when I back to hotel or home?
Well, it can be realized with one door card. Can you believe it? Gree air conditioner is equipped with a key card control. So by sweeping your door card, the key card control function will control all of the units in your house. So if you want to go back to experience the air conditioner immediately, you can just go on the app Gree Plus to give the function orders to your air conditioner, and then the one door card will control it immediately. And when you want to leave, this kind of card will still remain for 6 minutes, so it's automatically. You don't need to remove the controller.
So that is very suitable for
very
hotel.
Convenient, intelligent.
Yes, and it's all of our Gree modes with the Wi-Fi logo can be also be controlled on Gree Plus app, so they can be controlled remotely. And you can see that, take this one area as an example. There is a Wi-Fi logo on the panel, and that means it can be controlled remotely just on your phone. So
yes. So it can realize the long distance control and convenient control and intelligent control. That's very suitable for your house. Okay, now let's see the newest, latest products of the area. So let's look at the video. Hi, welcome back, viewers. Now let's go on to our latest products, Airy.
Yes, our flagship product, air conditioner Airy. And first, let's talk about its appearance. This unit has a wonderful stimulated metal texture. Besides, it has 5 colors to choose for our users. They are elegant white, mysterious black, noble golden, and fantastic purple, as well as silver. Which color do you like best?
I guess it's purple because it's very elegant, I think.
Yes, I will choose black. Black is more
Because
mysterious.
it's handsome or it's cool.
Boys always like black. I think.
Okay. Your favorite color.
And
Now, Steve told us about some outstanding advantages around its efficiency, healthy, or the comfortable.
yes, let's talk about the healthy and comfortable first.
Yeah.
So we all know that in the winter of north, the outdoor unit will frost, and the air conditioner will stop to defrost. So in this period, the temperature in your home will drop, and you will feel uncomfortable. So when we face with this situation, the traditional air conditioner will stop in order to defrost. But our area will use intelligent algorithm to achieve intelligent defrost. And this can achieve a 10 hours continuous heating without just a stop.
Wow. 10 hours?
Yes, 10
that
hours.
May be a long time
Yes.
heating or cooling.
Yes, and that means the defrost will not stop the machine, but maintain continuous heating. And the indoor temperature function can be dropped from 6 degrees Celsius. For conventional units, that is 6 degrees temperature function. But for Airy, they are just 1.5 degrees temperature function. So that's where it's reduced very, our consumer will feel more comfortable. So the thin defrost can be frosted in just 3 minutes.
In 3 minutes?
Yes.
Maybe me and the audience are all curious about the technology. Tell more about it.
Okay. So actually, that's because Airy's temperature sensor can detect the frost status on outdoor unit, so it can defrost cleverly. So in heating mode, some heat is used for heating, while others is used for defrosting. Then it will enter the thin defrost rapid removing mode. So during the defrosting, the indoor unit will keep running to ensure normal heating. So let's say, to make this simple, the innovative defrosting algorithm can maintain all night long heating for 10 hours.
Well, that's the reason why it can last so long. So is that technology makes you impressive, my audience?
And next, I would like to introduce its cooling and air supply. Its specially designed robotic arm can make a larger air supply angle, and it has a longer air supply distance, which can up to 15.5 meters. That is 15.5 meters, yes. and its louver has a smaller resistance, making the overall air volume can up to 10%, more than 10% actually. Yes, and cooliness will quietly fill every corner of your room. So no matter you are at the near field or far field, every will put the user's experience at the priority. So with special designed and blowing angle, the air will not blow directly to your body, no matter you are at the far end or near end of your room, and that will our consumer will feel more comfortable. Yes.
Yes.
And that can take care of your health. And Lisa will tell you more about the health technology applied on our area.
Yeah, now let's go on to the user-friendly design. You know, Airy has many user-friendly design, and I think my favorite one is noise design. So can
noise
you imagine,
cancellation, right?
Yeah. Can you imagine once you use your air conditioner, not only you and your neighbor will concerned about it. If it's very noisy, maybe you don't have a harmless neighborhood friendship. So Airy can make the indoor unit down to the 19 dB.
Oh, 19 decibels. You can even not hear that.
Yeah, it's like maybe it's like the insects buzzing in the summer night. You can hear it very clearly. And for the outdoor unit, it can down to the 40 dB. That will bring you the very harmless neighbor friendship. Yeah, that right?
So even I think in laboratory, the noise will be more than 40 decibels, even higher. So 40 decibels, you can even not hear the noise in natural environment. Yes. And what about its intelligent dehumidification? Can you talk more about that?
Yeah. Actually, each product in our Gree company has the intelligent dehumidification mode, but this Airy, the newest product, has the newest function of that. It's for the traditional air conditioner. If people stay in the air conditioner room, they will feel very dry. Like when I came to Canton first, in the air conditioner room, I feel very dry. You can't imagine how dry it is here. But with the Airy, I feel like, oh, my skin is exaggerated. I feel very comfortable and very suitable in here. So thanks to the Gree's dehumidification intelligent mode. And for the
yeah, that's very good to hear that, because it can act as both humidifier and dehumidifier. So that is very useful.
Yes.
And I believe that the consumer will feel very good because they can have this area. Because I also like to buy one for my family, because you know in Guangdong, in some areas the humidity is very high in the air. So I want it can reduce the humidity in the air.
So let's go on to see the other user-friendly function, like the clean and fresh function. So for the indoor unit, it has a homely calm filter. That means you can get off it very easily and you can wash it very conveniently. And for the outdoor unit, it also has an auto cleaning function. That means you can you don't need to do it. You do it by yourself, and it also equipped with the UVC mode, and it will make your house more healthy and protect your health from the bacteria, dust, and mold, and so on. So Lance, do you know that from 2009, Gree has begun the investigation of the GMV PV, and now the PV also have the 5 types from the PV VRF, PV wall-mounted unit, PV filter, and so on.
Yes, 2009.
I
was born after 2000. I was born after 2000. Right, so you are born after 2000, and that is 15 years ago. Yeah. Yes. But I am curious about what makes the photovoltaic become the direction of our company.
Because you know sunlight cover all every corner of the world, so we could not live without the air and sunlight. The solar power is rich and endless, so the majority of the population from different countries and religions can get its benefit from the solar.
Yes, I know the solar power is a very clean energy, but except of the environment protection function, when I stand at the consumer's position, if you can use solar power as the energy, daily energy, you can save money. As you know, every month the high electrical rate occupies almost 10% of our apartment rent. And I hope solar can be transferred into usable AC power to power our daily life, and which can not only save money, but also can reduce the carbon footprint in our daily life.
Yeah, I can't agree with you anymore. For our Gree company, we have the great responsibility of the society. So we give our every effort to achieve a great and common goal. That is reduce the greenhouse gas and save our planet by reducing greenhouse gas and save our planet by inducing green energy to people's life. So now let's watch a video about the PVDC inverter system in Dubai.
Yes.
They are expecting by 2028 that the consumption of the oil will be doubled.
After 50 years finish, what kind of energy we have to use?
Most of the energy is going to the AC.
不破坏环境，尽可能不消耗资源，这就是一个优秀的企业要去承担的。空调就是要用电，不用电是不可能的。但是我就在想，我们用什么样的电？
阳光照给建筑是导致建筑升温的最直接的因素。
把光伏怎么样跟空调结合起来，这个课题是一个比较难的课题，能不能去实现？
我们发明了光伏空调，从研发到制造，到最后成为一个成熟的产品，今天已经是供不应求。
We are very happy that we have a very strong partner. What kind of problem you have, what you like to use, Gree can supply you.
1, 2, 3! 1, 2, 3!
And the air conditioning in Saudi Arabia is taking more than 80 to 85% from the energy. This is why we like to try in our new building the new centrifugal chiller from Gree. We love Gree made in China.
光伏空调现在在国外是非常受欢迎，包括一些发达国家。它给整个人类带来的改变啊，真的是颠覆性的。这个技术给我们带来更好的一个市场空间，目前全世界只有我们有。别人没有能够实现，你去实现它，这才是我们的价值所在。
Welcome back, viewers. Until now, you may know more knowledge about the entire concept of Gree's photovoltaic air conditioner DC system, and we also call it zero carbon emission photovoltaic DC system.
Yes, we can see how efforts we do to make the world become better in our company. So can you tell me more about the PVDC system works in users' home?
Yes, and let's take this panel. It's very complex, right? And I will talk it to you. And the solar energy can be gathered by the solar panel, and the inverter will convert the solar energy into usable AC power. So the surplus energy you gathered will be stored at the battery system. That is the battery. Where is battery? Battery. and the system is connected to the grid. You can draw electricity from the grid, and if the energy you gathered is not enough, and you can even share the energy you gathered back to the grid and share with more families. So, and if the local policy permits the energy you gathered, you can not only for you use in your home, but also share with more families.
Yeah, that's more impressive. So can you tell me more details of that?
Yes, take GMV6 solar as an example. The GMV6 solar unit can integrate the air conditioner inverter and the air conditioner itself in one. So compared with the conventional units, the GMV solar is directly realize DC interactive power supply and can eliminate the need for a single inverter device and can achieve zero electrical charge, and also get improved energy conservation efficiency. The comprehensive energy efficiency can reach 99% and even more.
Yeah.
And what's more, Gree's HR system has an ultra-wide operation range from -30 degrees Celsius to 55 degrees Celsius. That is -30 degrees to 55 degrees Celsius. That is thanks to our inverter two-stage compressors, which can work very stable even in harsh weather like Middle East and yes, and even in the freezing winter of Canada. Our product can also provide very comfortable and efficient performance. And the energy, we can ensure 100% of energy efficiency, even the ambient temperature reduced to -20 degrees Celsius. So our unit is very reliable. You can always trust it.
Yeah, trust Gree, trust our products.
Yes.
Yeah, and Gree's GMV6 AC air conditioner system utilizing solar energy to provide power not only the AC system but also your life and your office, your home. The GMV6 AC system represents a significant step towards zero carbon emission living.
Yes,
maybe that's the goal of the whole world, but we are responsible. So, and hope it will serve in your life in the near future. But what if you are living in an area do not have enough solar energy?
Yes, don't worry, because we have another plan just for you. That is our geothermal heat pump unit. But before we talk about the geothermal unit, Lisa, I have a question for you. So and
free to ask me.
Yes, and this question is also for the viewers before the screen. So, what is the largest solar connector on this Earth? So we talked about the photovoltaic air conditioner before. So what is the largest solar panel on this Earth?
Wow, maybe it's the land, the ocean, or the universe?
Ocean. Oh, that is very approaching to the right answer. So because the largest solar connector on this Earth is the Earth itself, I think. Because every year the Earth will absorb 47% of the solar energy when it hits the surface, and no matter what climate you are living in, no matter you are living in the Middle East or in Canada or Russia, every year the temperature varies, and what many people don't realize is that the temperature below just below maybe few feet below than foot will stand constantly, regardless of climate or season. And what air temperature can greatly varies from day to night or winter to summer. The temperature just feet below Earth can stay averagely from 12 degrees Celsius to 21 degrees Celsius. So you can draw more energy from the soil than from the air.
Yes. So let's look at this board. Geothermal heat pump units are able to tap into this free energy with a series of underground pipes. This technology is used to provide your home or office with access to an infinite energy sources for heating and air conditioner. So the earth loop can be placed in the soil, which we call it Club soup.
Yes, and it can also be placed in a river or lake, and we call it open loop. And the open loop has a much higher energy efficiency. The part load ER can be rated as 70%, and the part load COP can be rated as 6.2, which is 5 times more energy efficient than traditional air conditioner.
Yes. So Gree's inverter technology is also applied in this unit. With endless renewable energy just around your building, the green geothermal system can help you reduce the carbon emission and defeat the potential energy supply shortage. Our efforts to a greener world is so evident. Join us to build a cleaner and more sustainable world together.
And well, viewers, that wraps up all for today's products. That is all for today's Gree heat pump products. So for a company named in Gree, green must be her responsibility. And so efficient becomes the first key word today. With efficient, we have
efficient here.
fifths, which can provide heating, cooling, and water heating all in one, and a photovoltaic DC inverter system, which can use solar energy and achieve zero carbon emission and zero electrical charge. And the geothermal system, which can have 5 times more energy efficient than traditional air conditioner. And all of those technologies eventually change the air conditioner from an energy consumer to an energy producer.
Yeah, and another 2 key words is comfort and health. Like our latest products, Eerie, the noise design, the user-friendly design will make you feel more comfortable, and the intelligent controller will make your life more convenient. Is that right?
Yes.
Yes. So maybe with this kind of products and their functionalities, I will live a more suitable and intelligent life, just compared to the life I lived before.
Yes, I'm fully in agreement. And if you guys are interested in more of Gree's heat pump products, like Versatility we mentioned today, and other water heat pump, don't hesitate to contact us or just take a visit to our booth at A4.2 to find more eco-friendly and energy efficiency products in our booth. That's all. Thank you.
Yes, thanks for listening. Thanks for watching, and just look around our products in our exhibition. Have a good day.
Have a nice day.
Good for you too.
Yes. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.